Bingo Cash, Blackout Bingo, and Solitaire Cash all use different gameplay styles, so the better choice depends on whether you prefer bingo speed, classic bingo rules, or card-based strategy. By the end, you will know how these three apps compare, what type of player each one fits, and what to check before choosing where to spend your time. First, look at Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash focuses on competitive bingo matches where players compete based on their performance. The main skill areas are recognizing numbers quickly, managing the board, and making accurate moves during a game. Bingo Cash is a better fit for players who enjoy fast decisions and tournament-style competition. If you like traditional bingo but want a more competitive format, this style of gameplay may feel familiar while adding more pressure. Next is Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo is built around bingo gameplay, with a focus on completing your card and reaching the blackout goal. The experience is closer to classic bingo because the main objective is clearing the board. Players who prefer a straightforward bingo format may find Blackout Bingo easier to understand. The strategy is focused on paying attention to called numbers and completing the required pattern efficiently. Then there is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash is different because it uses solitaire instead of bingo. The gameplay depends more on card sequencing, planning moves, and recognizing opportunities on the table. Solitaire Cash may appeal more to players who enjoy puzzle-style games rather than number calling. The skills needed are different because success comes from making better card decisions instead of tracking bingo patterns. When comparing these apps, focus on three things: the game style you enjoy, how much time you want to spend learning the rules, and whether the app experience matches your playing habits. Bingo Cash works best for players who enjoy competitive bingo. Blackout Bingo fits players who want a more traditional bingo experience. Solitaire Cash is designed for people who prefer solitaire-based challenges. Before choosing one, try the gameplay style that feels the most natural to you. A game you understand quickly is usually easier to enjoy consistently. The main takeaway is simple. Bingo Cash is for competitive bingo fans. Blackout Bingo is for classic bingo players, and Solitaire Cash is for solitaire strategy fans. If this comparison helped you choose between these apps, subscribe for more app comparisons and like the video for more quick guides.